My name is Simeon Burke. I'm standing here again outside the Bar Council building, the distillery building here in Dublin. It is 1 p.m. on the 23rd of September. There are 4 hours to go till the deadline for confirmation with the Law Library of a master. I need a master in order to begin practicing in the courts. At this point in time, I don't have any master confirmed, even though I've been searching for almost 2 years to try and locate one. Now, I've studied for around 5 years as a law student. I have a Bachelor of Law degree from the University of Galway. I have a Master's from the University of Cambridge and the Barrister at Law degree from the King's Inns. Throughout my legal education, I've known great success. I've had repeated recognition for outstanding academic achievement, winning the Oxford University Press Prize for coming first in my class in 2019, winning University of Galway Scholar Awards in 2020 and in 2021, and representing the University of Galway and the University of Cambridge in legal debating contests. I would also say that over the past 6 years, I have built up considerable work experience in a variety of contexts. I have worked as a legal intern with a barrister practicing on the Western Circuit. I have worked as a judicial intern for the Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court. I was selected as a participant in the Iveagh Fellowship program, and as part of that program, I worked as a policy intern for a disability rights organization. And I've also worked locally, part-time, over the past 6 years to finance my legal education. And I've known great success in my employment. I've had excellent working relationships with employers and indeed with work colleagues alike, with feedback and reviews indicating not just that I've worked hard, but that I've worked well as a member of a team. Now, the Law Library stated in submissions to the Legal Services Regulatory Authority in 2018 that unlike other jurisdictions, in particular England and Wales, in Ireland, every prospective pupil can be assured of locating a master in order to complete a pupillage. Again, in 2021, the Law Library stated to the LSRA that in contrast with other common law jurisdictions, there is a sufficient supply of masters to meet the graduate numbers emerging from the King's Inns as newly qualified barristers to undertake a pupillage. Despite these statements, I am standing here today on the day of the deadline for confirmation of a master, and I have no master confirmed, despite having spent almost 2 years actively seeking to obtain a pupillage. I have contacted all of the names on the master list that will remain junior counsel, but I don't have any master confirmed. And I am faced at this point with the prospect of not being able to proceed to membership of the Law Library and not be able to proceed to practice in the courts. And this is extremely upsetting. This is an extremely distressing situation. This is where things stand now.
My name is Sean Burke. I'm Simeon's father, and I'm very concerned about the situation that Simeon finds himself in. It's really shameful that we have had to come out here in the public and do this today. As he said, he has spent 5 years at his legal studies, 5 years of his life and thousands of euros. Simeon has excelled in his studies. He's always got on very well with the people he trained with, people he worked with. It is very unfair that he has been treated like this because of his religious belief. That after all his hard work, all the money he has put into it, all his studies, now at the last moment, the door is being closed in his face. I would ask you to contact the Bar of Ireland and to raise this issue with them, how this could happen. That this young man, 25 years of age, having studied and worked so hard, now at the last is being treated like this so unfairly, so grossly unfairly, at the last moment by the legal profession of Ireland.